Should you try intermittent fasting? The very question is how intermittent is done. Intermittent fasting is done most of the time by the 8/16 rule. By this rule, the person can eat or drink whatever he or she wants for 8 hours and will have to fast for the rest of 16 hours. Unlike dry fasting, you can take water and green tea during these 16 hours of fasting. This is the main difference between dry fasting and intermittent fasting. Now that you have some know-how of this type of fasting as well, by the end of this video, you will discover why you should try intermittent fasting. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss the upcoming videos of living a healthier and happy lifestyle. 1. Reduces insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is very common these days due to lifestyle changes. It is the point to note that everything that can lower the blood sugar level can lower the risk of insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes and vice versa. In research on patients with type 2 diabetes, it was estimated that intermittent fasting lowered the blood glucose level 3 to 6% over the time of 8 weeks, and also it lowered the fasting insulin resistance 20 to 31%. Aren't these figures such a piece of good news for diabetic patients? 2. Changes hormone and cells. As simple as walking can have some effects on your hormones, so fasting is a big thing compared to walking. During intermittent fasting, insulin levels in the blood drops very efficiently, which can trigger the fat burn in the body. Also, the amount of human growth hormone increases in the blood. A high amount of HGH can cause muscle gain, fat burn. During fasting, cell death occurs, which can also sometimes prevent you from getting cancer. The body also increases the healing and repairing process and removes toxins from the body. 3. Reduces oxidative stress. Have you watched the previous videos about oxidative stress and what food to eat or avoid? Oxidative stress is caused by free radicals formed in the body that can lead to cancer, as free radicals react with other protein and DNA and change their composition. Research backed up the idea that intermittent fasting in one way and another increases the ability of the body to fight these free radicals and can reduce oxidative stress. So, why not start intermittent fasting today? 4. Fights neurodegenerative diseases. The brain is no doubt one of the most important parts of the human body. Without it, or even with the declined function of this organ, humans can't function. Some diseases can lead to a declined functioning of the brain. As Alzheimer's has no cure, so it is important to stop the onset of it. Another study on animals has revealed that intermittent fasting also protects the brain from some other cognitive degenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease and Huntington's disease. 5. Reduces visceral fat. One of the most ugly-looking fat is the fat around the visceral area. It deshapes the body and can overall reduce the confidence of the affected person. A review of the literature was done in 2014, according to which people who did intermittent fasting lost 3 to 4% of weight over 4,5 months, and also the big achievement was that they lost 5 to 7% of the waist circumference, which is visceral. That is very dangerous. Leave your comments below if you have started intermittent fasting and how you have benefited from it. Click the like button, and most importantly, share this important information with your loved ones so that they could also start living a healthier and happy lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, and see you in the next video.